Hi guys, have you ever wondered what's the name of the larger number? So for today's videos, we were going to discuss that. Kasi diba, we are normally familiar with millions, billion, trillion. Tapos meron din palang quadrillion next to trillion, quintillion, sextillion, septillion, and more. So yung pinaka nag-catch dito sa akin yung Google, which is 1 tapos 100 zero. Then, yung pinaka mataas, Googleplex. So, parang ano na siya, limited number na siya. So, yun lang guys. Just for curiosity. And please don't guys to subscribe. Have a great day. I'm out. Goodbye.